for Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Ka Meghalaya Pensioners Association haringkat bat kacing trailang bat kakenhun pulit SF10 hak arpun ru trek ujen liu aja pun riu kila thongi kitan rai dieng hamau yong shilong hak tamsa jong ki pulit SF10 hak jing thongi kitan rai dieng rasa hilang do komandan jong kakenhun pulit SF10 uba PJ lalu ki officer ke SF10 bat kinongelam ka Meghalaya Pensioners Association.
Kapan kong ni ai kublai di Meghalaya Pensioners Association kila mo kila Estom kila wan rak kiding kila wan pun kini ke unit jungi kini ke barang temai ini langsung donang ni kini ke location nang sistem ta. So we very grateful to them di wan rak kiding. Even though we couldn't do it on World Environment Day, but at least we were able to do it today. So we are very grateful to them. And di kermen ba kini kiding ni kong kini kinsan basai yang ni de let's say nginom yo isu kini lah at least if you call it it's a benefit mo lagi hadian buat ki breu abi ki politik ni kami mariang jadi lihapan sumar sukher ka dari makahi ke ai du ni jinggar jinggar mo kapal jadi lihapan ya sumar ka yang balik turun ka ini dia lihap dia berkat sifosen suaman penjulur di kemarin anggota.
Kani kam dei ka banongkong nilaya thung hi lajan kibun ki jaka hang ne rekasi bat hakini ka arp santarik ru kani ka santarik ru nu banai atu ka World Environment Day inang dia bantung hakani ka first annual PBN battalion temen ta par ngi don hakani ka SF10 Special Force 10 hang ne apo mau yong hang ne ba hakijing dor ka lem jong komandan jong kane ka SF10 Shri BG lalu IPS orang komandan ti kumtu ngi la ya don lang bat ki ngi yo bantung ngi ki katukat ni kiding bat ka kam jong i kum ka association hi kam somde tang ka thung ding ngi la ya le kat bala kam tam ban penyo ya ka ya ki hok jong kitu ki bom de hok ban yo pension pi ki don ki balai pension ki ba hab da ki snem kim yo te long ba ka jing don jong ka ne ka Meghalaya Pensioner Association ngi yo ngi rap ye ki la yo bat bon ki bala yo ro bat kalau long ka jing mentoy ba ka jing kurku ye ki tam de kata ki don ru ki central government ki ba khot ye ngi bangin ai ki jing kren jing ki kum AG bat kumani huru kinaka haka on behalf of Meghalaya Pensioner Association ngala yo ban participate haka tu ka National Elderly Conference bat ngilayo ru ban keren ban don bentahang tu ti kita ki benta jong kane association bat ngila nang yai nang ka por ngile ru ki awareness program kum kita ki syongka kena ka wanra ya ki jing hadian nang ta kum kini ki free medical camp ti kene ka thung dieng tingala kham sem jing manta namar bangi haban siu man chwangi yo free te bat ki wei ki kam ru ki bangi ya don te na mde tang kata ngi don bentaru ha ka to ke pension adalah hang tu ngila ban sol bon ki pension papers ki balalong jerwat ru da ka badon lang bat ka court bat ke AG bat ka finance department bat ni ilala ban le bon ki na ka benta jong ki tu ki basem jing ka pension kita ki main jong ka jong.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.